Hey y'all. So I'm mad I did not record this as I was doing it. I actually didn't even know it was going to work, but I just remembered to check just now. But I had a video a while ago. I was growing radishes and beets, and it was like a little short. I can't remember if I actually did a longer video. I don't think I did. But anyways, I got some, not Tupperware, but these Sterlite tub boxes. I don't even want to call them that. Store boxes, all right, where you store stuff away, the plastic containers. But I bought them, and I was like, I'm just going to keep reusing them. I drilled some holes at the bottom, and I'm reusing them. So in the fall, I planted radishes and beets. And then in the winter, because I was a little behind procrastinating, I didn't start all my starts indoors. And I was like, oh gosh, I'm not buying 10 pepper plants. So I just sprinkled some seeds out here that I had, because I have lots of pepper seeds. Y'all know every time you try to record or you're on the phone, your kids, the dog, somebody's mowing the grass. I know they don't know what's going on or probably care, but it happens every time. I'm just gonna keep going. Anyways, so I said, dang man, it's too late to start. I'm supposed to start 8 weeks. I didn't. So I just came out here. I said, what do I got to lose? Pepper, enough. So I'm gonna turn this around. These are, I hate that I didn't show y'all what I did, but it's really just throwing some seeds out here. So at the end of March, well, around March, I came out here and I planted some red and green peppers. Y'all, I don't know which ones I planted, but what is this? But they in here. I guess we'll find out when they start growing. And you see I got some mint. I can't even move it, but it's some mint coming out from this bed. You see it's spread everywhere. And off subject, but you know, mint, which I know now, spreads. And it's great to grow around tomatoes, which I found out by accident. I didn't have any issues with bugs, and my peppers. And here I have chives. I only started one like 2 years ago. And look, it just keeps spreading. And I just moved one somewhere else. And as you can see, they're beautiful as flowers as well when they start blooming around the springtime. All right. And you keep cutting them, they keep coming back. All right. But back on my peppers, I got green and red peppers in here. Let's see if I can get the lighting better. You see that? As you can see how I grew them in rows and they came right up. Y'all, I watered these one time in a whole month. And it's just been covered. No holes at the top, just at the bottom to drain. And of course, whatever sun's been coming out has been hitting this. Kind of like a little greenhouse. And look, they've been growing. I just had to thin them out. And the good thing too, I can find like little earthworms and put that in my compost. And over here, same thing. Look at that. Had I not done nothing, like, you know what, I messed up, I might as well just go buy some starts. And the point of this is just to show, little mushrooms in here. You just have to start. And a lot of us, we get, busy with life. Things happen unexpectedly. Things happen. You're like, man, I meant to start this and never did. And time, as y'all can tell, is moving so fast. So I said, I ain't got nothing to lose. Let me just throw these seeds out because I have so many pepper seeds. Because from one pepper, you can get like 100 or so seeds from one pepper. So you don't have nothing really to lose. Just throw them out. And again, I can thin them out. I can give them to other people. And it's saving money. And eventually I'll go through and count how many I have. But this is so many. It's probably too many for me. Because I also have some more pepper plants on my porch right now. I'm going to give it another week before I actually plant them. Make sure the frost is actually gone. But y'all, that's awesome. I ain't gonna say I forgot about them, but I am. And I checked on them today. And this is what it looks like. And they're pretty strong too. I didn't use any special soil. I just used what was actually over here and what was in there already. And yeah, that was it. And I did take a little bit of, I watered it with fish emulsion and my water jug. And that was the first time I watered it, and I haven't done anything since. And this is what I got. So that means, what is this, April? Oh, I got up too fast. Whew. That you can still do this. It was only a month. And I was expecting it to be not as much growth, if any, because of the weather that we've been having. So y'all, it's not too late to start. And that was just peppers. You can start other things, which I might experiment with later, to put in your garden. Or you can still start them indoors. Or if you just know you don't have the time, just go ahead and buy the starts from the store. I'm not going to throw any names out of stores to stay away from, but definitely try to support your local nurseries. I know a lot of them, they're getting a little bit more expensive, but obviously things are going up. So I do expect that. People got to make money. But again, that should prompt you or motivate you to start your seeds early and be a little bit proactive about your seed starting. Because I'm telling you, once you buy seeds one time and you actually harvest your food in time, you can literally never have to buy seeds again, unless you just want some rare plant or vegetable or fruit. You really don't have to buy any more seeds. And you can still have enough to give to other people. I give seeds away a lot, and I still have enough for myself. So again, don't give everything away where you have nothing, because we don't know when that may dwindle down. So yeah, it does take more work to take the seeds out of things, but definitely do that if you want to save money. And again, you got to do, they're not going to grow on their own. All right, you got to get out there and be proactive. So yeah, I was looking at this pile. I threw some seeds out there in the little bushes last year when I cleaned out the garden, and I see stuff growing back there that I didn't mean to grow, but it's all fine. It's out there. No one's going to touch it. But yeah, I hope that helps somebody. And again, you get caught up. I definitely have. And then you get disappointed, like, man, why the heck? I know what I'm supposed to be doing. I haven't done it. Just get out there. Or if you know somebody else that has, get an accountability partner. It always helps. I got mine back here. He's running around somewhere. All right, he's out here watering stuff that I done forgot I grew. I had some carrots back here that he was watering, and there was actually carrots in my bucket. So get you an accountability partner if you need to. Just start. Every day I come out here with my son, he's out here playing. I'll plant one thing. I planted watermelon, pumpkin, was it spinach? No, kale, and something else the other day. Then I planted some flowers along my fence. And then I came in here and planted some loofah because I want to do that this year. And then I planted some cucumber melons that's going on my trellises I built out of hog panels. I know y'all, this is going to be fixed too. But I went and bought hog panels, and that's going to be my trellis. I'm not paying $100. It's only $30-something at the Tractor Supply. And it serves the same purpose. So yeah, just one thing at a time, because it can be overwhelming. Just get out here and do it. And don't forget to plant your flowers too for your bees. All right, I bought one, didn't even know it attracted bees. But it did, and now I got blooms on my apple trees. I ain't had blooms in 2 years. And it's really because I didn't have another apple tree. So that was my fault for not doing the research. But anyways, I got them already, so I'm excited. Y'all just get out there and plant and start working. It ain't got to be pretty. You see what's going on back here. All right. It'll come over time. And the main thing is you got something to eat or something to give to others if they need it. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. I love y'all. Bye.